It's a cool Sunday here in Texas. Today I will be doing chicken leg quarters on my Oklahoma Joe. I will be using hickory wood. To me, I think in my opinion, chicken is the easiest food that you can smoke. And you'll see in this video on how I do my chicken. Alright, here are my chicken leg quarters. I'm going to be seasoning them right now. I have the temp going up on my Oklahoma while I season up these chicken leg quarters. Now it doesn't take too much to season these leg quarters, but get a nice little rub on them. Get on the skin. You can even, if you want, open up the skin and get the seasoning on the actual meat. But me, for now, it's just backyard barbecue. You know, I'm just laying it on there and just rolling with that. Just do it like this. Yeah, and I purchased these chicken leg quarters from my local HEB. They were all together for $3.59. Can't beat that. And that's one of the reasons why chicken is so good to cook, because it's so cheap. But that looks about good to me. So once my temp gets up to where I want it to be, I'll put the chicken on. Alright, I have my pit going at the temp that I wanted at. I'm going to shoot for 275. If it goes up to 300, I'm okay with that because I want to smoke my chicken at a higher temp than low and slow. So I'm going to go ahead and put them on right now. Alright, I'm going to place my leg quarters on. I'm going to place them on the opposite side of the fire. Have it this way. Like I said before, I am using hickory wood. Actually, I'm going to place the bigger piece at the very top, and then this one can go like this. So I'll close the lid and I'll open it back up when I'm ready. It has been a little over an hour, so I'm going to open up the lid and see how the chickens look. Yeah, it's just been an hour, so they're not going to look too cooked, but this is what they look so far. And I think they're looking pretty good. If you can see how I have set up in here. Alright, time to close the lid and keep cooking. Alright, it's a little over 2 hours now. I'm going to open the lid and see how everything looks. Yeah, they're getting a little more of a color now. So what I'm going to do now is actually going to flip them. So the skin can now be on the grate. Just like that. The skin, I don't know if you can hear, it sounds pretty crispy. And that's what I'm going for. I want some crispy skin. So just turn this one around actually this way. I'll do the same on this. Just like that. Turn this one. Alright, now what I'm going to do also, I'm also going to put some sausage on here. The sausage is from Fredericksburg, Texas. I've never eaten it before, so I'm going to go ahead and try it and see how it tastes once it's all done. There we go. Throughout this cook, I've been having it temperature at around 270. I'm going to keep it this way until it's done. Alright, I'll get back to you. Alright folks, I'm back. It's been a little over 3 hours now. I'm opening the lid and I figured that it'll see if they're done. Yeah, the chicken has a nice color to it. Yeah, looking pretty good. The sausage, yeah, the sausage is ready to come off as well. Alright, the chicken's, it's done. I want to pull them off and wow. Got some juice coming out of that one right there. But yeah, they're ready to come off. So I'll pull them off and I'll give them a taste. Okay, so here's the finished product. My chicken leg quarters and sausage. It took over a little 3 hours to smoke. I used hickory and I did use a little post oak in there because that's what I had left from the hickory. So here it goes. I'm going to show you a little bit of it and actually going to tear it apart to see how it looks from inside. Oh yeah, still a little hot. Here's the chicken leg right here, and then here you have some little meat. Look at that. Yeah. Ooh. Still hot. I let it rest for about close to 15 minutes, but I wrapped it in foil in this pan, but as you can tell, it is still hot. But here is the meat, what it looks like. See, it's still steaming. I'm going to tear it apart a little bit so you can see how it looks. Yeah, it is hot. Got some steam going, and you can tell there's some pink in there, but that's due because of the smoke. And I'm actually going to take a bite of it and see how it tastes. I will get back right to you. Alright folks, here's the chicken leg right here that from the leg quarter, so I'm going to take a bite and see how it goes. Tastes real good. Matter of fact, I might go for another bite. Oh man, this does taste good. Alright, I'm gonna go for some sausage. Sausage from Fredericksburg, Texas. Feels a little hot, but I'm gonna take a bite of it. It's real good. Oh man, that tastes real good. Has a little bite to it. Alright folks, well, there you have it. Some chicken leg quarters and some sausage.
Thank you.
And that wraps it about on my video here. Thank you for watching.
Guys, I had to record of your food, Daddy. I want to cook your food. This is his sausage, and this is his chicken leg. And then he's going to cover it up with that. And I'm going to stop, pause it. And now, thanks for watching.